Hello friends! In this video I will show you a USB voltage regulator. With its help you can smoothly regulate the voltage in the range from 0.6 to 24 volts. I connected the USB voltage regulator to a small power bank. A voltmeter and a fan with a voltage of 12 volts are connected to the USB voltage regulator. By smoothly rotating the knob on the USB voltage regulator, we can regulate the output voltage. The USB voltage regulator itself also has a voltmeter, and it helps to control the output voltage. The voltage on both voltmeters is not much different. In this video, I regulated the voltage from 0.6 volts to 16 volts so as not to burn out the fan, which operates from 12 volts. I left links to the USB voltage regulator and other components that are present in the video in the description. All the best. Have a nice day.